Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to let others share your Instagram posts to their own stories, I've got you covered. Today, I'll be showing you the updated steps to allow people to share your posts on their Instagram stories, so you can get even more exposure and engagement. Let's get right into it. Step 1. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged into your account and ready to go. Step 2. Once you're in the app, tap on your story, located at the top left of the screen. This will open your story options and settings. Step 3. Next, look for the gear icon at the top right of your screen and tap on it to open your settings. Step 4. Now, tap on Story from the list of options in the Settings menu. This is where you can adjust who can view your stories and who can interact with them. Step 5. Scroll down to find the option labeled Allow Sharing to Story. Make sure to toggle it on, enabling others to share your post to their own Instagram stories. And that's it. You've now set up your account to allow others to share your posts on their stories. This is a great way to boost your content's reach and let your followers help spread the word. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Stay tuned for more Instagram tips, and I'll see you in the next video.